Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of fruit mix or fruit salad. Fruits are great source of essential nutrients. They are easy on stomach. This is easy and quick to prepare dessert. Now let us see how to prepare this. Take a bowl, add apple in it, sapota, mango, banana, pineapple and grapes. To the fruit mix, add roasted cashew nuts and almonds. 1 teaspoon of honey, little pepper, 2 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream and give it a good mix. Let the fruits be coated with vanilla ice cream. This is ready. Now transfer into your fruit bowl. Add a scoop of chocolate ice cream on top of the fruit mix. Mint leaves. Garnish with pomegranate seeds. The fruit salad is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video.